Okay, so let's take a look at inserting screencasts into our WordPress blogs. Now, it's pretty straightforward, but depending on which of the tabs in WordPress you use, you may find that the embed code gets stripped out when you publish your video, and I want to show you the difference right there. So just go find a screencast that you want to use. This one from Laura today is pretty cool. So click the share button, and then you just want to click the copy button down here under embed, and that copies the embed code to your clipboard. Jump back over to WordPress and let's go ahead and add a new post. So we'll call this new post. Now right over here you have two tabs, visual and HTML. If I insert that embed code right here, this is going to get stripped out when I post it. I want to actually do it, let me undo that, in the HTML tab. The HTML tabs for inserting codes and HTML type formatting or embed codes, whereas the visual is more of a like a word processor style window. So if I put anything in here and I click preview, you'll see that it's all blank. So what we want to do is go back there, drop that code, so undo, and go back to the visual tab, the HTML tab, and then drop that code in there. It doesn't really look different, but this is what's going to interpret all of the tags in the embed codes, whereas the visual is more like an open Word document. So now if I click preview, there you go. And there's your code, your screener embedded in the actual WordPress. So again, just keep in mind that these two tabs serve different purposes. Most times we write our blog post using the visual tab, right? So you can format your text. But if you want to embed any images or flash movies, that's where you want to use the actual HTML. And you can see that once I published it or previewed it, it actually does recognize this object as a flash. You just don't want to drop your code into the visual area. Just remember to drop it in the HTML area.